Cheryl Luckett of Dwell by Cheryl Interiors. Welcome to my principal bathroom. I began this renovation with a pretty builder basic space. And I knew I wanted something in the end that felt luxurious and grand. So how do I accomplish this? I am a textile girl through and through, and so I knew that textiles were going to play a role even in this bath space. So I opted for this classic damask print drapery on my shower, and we took that from floor to ceiling, and immediately it makes the space feel grand and almost royal. Drapery panels are actually stationary panels, and the functional shower curtain is hidden behind them. It allows me to be able to have both the grand look of floor to ceiling drapery and the functionality of a shower curtain. One of the things I loved about my bathroom was the natural light that streams in each day. One of the things I didn't like so much was the lack of privacy. One of the benefits of selecting a top-down, bottom-up shade and adding motorization is that I can have the benefits of the light streaming in without waving hi to my neighbors. One of the functional problems that I needed to solve was this door that swung into the space onto another door nonetheless. By taking that door and putting it on a track outside of the space, I completely eliminated the door traffic jam I had going on in the corner. And by doing that, I opened up so much more space in the interior. Don't want to talk about this? I'm a girl with a lot of stuff, and so this 5x8 bathroom needed to pack a serious storage punch. I went with custom cabinetry because I knew I needed to design something specifically to accommodate all of my things. From super deep drawers to a U-shaped pull-out, a makeup organization, and a sky-high tower, I am now able to store so much more than I was before. When it came to the tile selection, I knew I wanted something that was calming and serene, but I needed a little bit of an accent. So we opted for this accent tile that acts as artwork inside of the tub shower area. We selected only 4 tiles, but we elevated it and made it more of a focal point by trimming it out in a really nice trim tile, and it becomes a moment in the center of the tub. One of the things that can completely elevate a space is lighting. When I started this bath renovation, I was really intentional about adding layers of lighting. For example, the sconces at the vanity really elevate the space. They provide light, they reflect through the mirror, and they also add a really nice decorative moment at the vanity. In a bathroom space, you've got to have an exhaust fan. We relocated mine just above the window, and we opted for one that included a Bluetooth speaker. And that allows me to have the functionality of a fan and a light, but also adds on a music option. And for me, it's that combination of functionality and luxury that really allow you to use the space in new and different ways. When the space began, I had a sad little vanity light and an exhaust fan that had a light. So I really wanted to add more decorative lighting, and I wanted to create a mood. The chandelier above really allows me to do that. I moved the placement to the center of the space, and I was intentional about choosing something that had a little bit of a drop that I would be able to catch outside of the bathroom. I put the light on a dimmer, and that allows me to be able to change the brightness and really shift the mood of the space. Part of adding visual interest to the space was applying wallpaper to the fifth wall. We opted for a kind of quiet and serene speckled gold and white dot, and it is one of my favorite things in the space. It draws your eye up, and it also gives me something to look at when I'm relaxing in the bathtub.